just got off the plane. Definitely a lot of people leaving. And you can tell that like they ain't coming back for right now at least. I'm here with Ruben. I got help with my maletas from a gentleman who came up to me and said, "You're the one that does all the videos." Yeah guys, this is what we need. Look at everybody working together.
And if you ask me right now what it is that I'm thinking, I'm holding my people up to stop them from sinking.
And he said that people have been taking the videos from Facebook and then putting them on WhatsApp. And so he was like, people like you making those videos, that's how people on the island were getting information. I love that, the power of the things that we create. We might think that they're contained only to our immediate, but in fact, videos were spreading far and wide, and now I have a new friend over there. And then we get in, and what is the music blasting? Blasting. Jazz. Ruben, remember when you gave me this the last time I was here in July?
Yes.
What did you say about this?
Eso es una moldavita. Connect you with the high speed.
You said, take this, and then I know you're gonna come back. Y estoy aquí.
Okay. I got it.
You got it, right?
Yeah. The adventure start right now.
Yes. And we're gonna be going now to Utuado. As you know, Utuado was one of the very, very hard hit places. But miraculously, your house is standing.
Right.
Right.
I was there.
Bueno, mija, a ver qué pasa. Estamos vivos mañana.
You left Ruben, right? And you went to the cement house for the first part of the storm, right?
Right.
And then when the eye came, you went to go check on the house.
Yes.
And then you decided to stay.
No, I don't have any choice because I don't have time to go back.
Oh, wow.
And the hard part was the back side of the hurricane.
The storm lasted over 30 hours, and everybody talks about the trauma of being trapped inside their home for that long, listening to the most disturbing sounds outside their doors. Many questioned how far Maria would take it, and if they would even be safe anymore. That looks like a face.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Oh my God. Ruben said that the powerful winds of Maria revealed things like this. Our ancestors are truly still a mystery. So beautiful.
Mira, ahí ese letrero estuvo una semana, como 3 semanas,
Wow.
que decía que estaba incomunicado, pero entonces el dueño de la finca construyó un puente, porque el puente se le fue para llegar a su casa. De la luz que se cayeron, los puso y construyó encima de los postes.
All the tarps.
Ya están cocinando.
For many children, island life is the only thing they know. Leaving will surely be traumatic. However, parents are fleeing to provide normalcy and opportunity for their children.
Vamos a pelar una gallina.
¿Y la de la pierna también?
Sí, mi amor, pero sí hay que meterle agua todavía porque está dura. ¿Viste que está durita? Sí.
Traditions, sounds, and smells will become things of the past. I can't help but to feel the sadness in that. So brown in comparison. It will come back. Damn. Oh, beautiful.
Aquí es que viven ellos. Ahí había una casita y se fue.
Wow. Una casita entera.
Sí.
You can see they had to move all the mud out of the way, the clay and. Wow.
Mira, ese árbol se cayó.
Wow. What a difference. But that never changes. That's a great view.
Tenían ropa de mujer, de niño,
Nice.
de hombre.
Generator is running. Besides unpacking the maletas, I made lots of natural bug sprays for people. A lot of the bug sprays in the market contain harmful chemicals that are bad for both people and the environment. Whoa! Ruben had on the planta trying to make my first night as comfortable as possible, but I reassured him that solar lights are all we need. Time for bed now, but please be sure to follow the rest of the journey. There are many more days of adventure, and I want you to be there. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, all that good stuff. Y te veo mañana.